Wondering how you can support your children to develop their fine motor skills? At Twinkl, we've created a wide collection of fun do-a-dot activity resources so that you can support your children with building on these crucial early physical development skills. Our extensive range of resources come in different themes from animals, fruits, transport, special events and many more, allowing you to pick the right one specifically to cater for your children's interests. Each resource comes with 2 worksheets, one with larger dots for children to dab or dot inside using bingo dabbers, paint or markers. Or perhaps children wish to complete the picture using tangible objects such as sequins, pom-poms or buttons. The choice is theirs. The second worksheet is better suited for more advanced learners looking to further develop their dexterity with smaller dots for children to colour and dot using felt tip pens, or explore with different mediums such as cotton buds and paint. To explore our full collection of do-a-dot resources, head on over to our Twinkl website. At the bottom of the website, select Educational Resources before clicking on our simple Do-a-dot Activity Resources category. Here you will be able to browse our full range of do-a-dot activity resources available for you to download and print.